Good morning. Today is a Monday and it's May 10 today. It is currently almost 7:30 a.m. and I already ate breakfast because my exam is at 10 a.m. We have to log in at 9 a.m. and I'm just so scared. My voice sounds weird, but stress na talaga ako. Hindi na ako nakapag-vlog last week because I don't know, it was just really hard for me. I felt like there were so much breakdowns. There was I don't even know. Today is the first day of finals and I'm so scared because cover to cover nga yung mga topics for the exams, and tomorrow we have physiology. Hindi ko na alam. I'm so scared. I don't know if I studied enough. I studied as much as I could last week, but I just feel like it's not enough. My exam is at 10 a.m. but we have to log in at 9 a.m. and I already prepared my uniform. So we have to wear our uniform or any white blouse during an exam, and I need to find my ID. I think I'm just gonna update you after my exam. And I feel like this is gonna be another boring vlog because I can't vlog my exams. So I'm just gonna keep talking and ranting about school. It's okay. I have last 2 weeks. I have I have 5 exams this week and then 3 next week. So 8 exams in total. How fun. So that's been school. Anyway, okay lang yan, last 2 weeks na. Okay lang yan. That's what I keep telling myself. Okay lang yan. Di na ako naka-vlog kanina after my first exam, and now I'm gonna start my second exam in a bit. I'm just waiting for the Zoom to start. As you can see, I'm already wearing my uniform and I'm reviewing for the subject, which is PDR, and I also have my checklist there. Ayan. Hi everyone! Update! It's the next day. And as you can see, I think I'm happier than I was yesterday because I just had my physio exam and I passed. I'm so happy I passed. I didn't expect this. Before the exam, I was crying. I thought I was gonna fail. I thought I didn't have any stock knowledge. I thought I didn't study enough. I slept for like 3 to 4 hours lang. And I tried to wake up as early as I could and studied more, and hindi talaga siya enough. But I guess I still remembered some of the things. Oh my gosh, thank you so much na worth it lahat ng puyat ko kasi hindi ako sanay na nagpupuyat. It is already nighttime and I'm so sorry talaga hindi ako masyado nag-vlog recently. Promise after finals I will vlog again. And yeah, I just wanted to show you my checklist for anatomy because yun yung exam namin on Friday. We have 2 anatomy exams, 1 lecture and 1 lab. These are topics for our anatomy exam. Ang dami actually. So ayan, I don't think I'll be able to read everything, but I'll try my best to scan and see kung ano yung mga possible questions na pwede na lang ask. And I need to input yung lab kasi we also have a lab exam for LE6. So mostly ito yung topics. Pero meron pa kaming isang lab next week kung saan lahat ng exams or lahat ng topics included. So ayan yung first, and then ito kasali din yung previous nung August pa. So hopefully I survive. I'm gonna try my best. Pero I'm really trying my best to study. Kaya sorry talaga if hindi ako maka-vlog. As in, ang dami kong inaaral ngayon and I should be studying right now. Also, I prepared my coffee na kasi it really helps me. Like, I really thought that coffee makes my head hurt, pero I think nasanay ko na yung sarili ko to drink coffee every day, which helps me stay up late. And actually, I sleep around 2 a.m. to 3 a.m. I don't sleep later than that kasi I just feel like my brain won't work anymore if I sleep later than 3. And I wake up kapag walang exam mga 9 a.m. or 10 a.m. I try my best to wake up at 7 but hindi ko talaga kaya. Pero ayun, I'm more productive at night anyway. Pero yung exams namin usually is around 8 a.m. So kailangan mga 6 or 7 gising na ako para mag-review pa before the exam. It is... what time is it? 12:07 and it's Wednesday. I don't have exams today. It's a Friday pa. And we are going to LaSalle today because I need to request some documents. So, kailangan ko mag-submit ng stuff for it. Since it is exam week, I'm trying to study pa rin kahit nasa car. Nahihilo lang ako eh. And ito nga, yung isa-submit ko sa LaSalle. I'm just studying anatomy lab kasi mas madali kaysa lecture yung basahin ko sa kotse. We're in LaSalle and Anton's just dropping off the documents because close naman yung school pero they told us to drop it off at this gate. Ayan, oh my gosh, namimiss ko na yung school na to. Quick errand lang, as in after this uwi na kami. Well, baka mag-drive through kami sa McDo cause we haven't eaten yet. But yeah, we're not gonna go out anywhere else kasi it's not safe to go out. We just really had to pass this, so yeah. Oh, there you are. It is Friday today and it's 6 a.m. I am so scared for my anatomy exam. But again, I woke up early because I wanted to study a bit more and our exam starts at 8 a.m. Yung exam namin 9 a.m. but we have to log in by 8 a.m. So yeah, I have roughly 2 hours to study and I'm gonna eat breakfast mga 7 a.m. para lang may energy ako habang nag-exam. I made breakfast, so I have kimchi rice with egg and sausage. It's not my ideal breakfast for exams, but it's all I could think of making and mabilis lang naman siya gawin, so I'm gonna keep studying and I only have 1 hour left to study and I'm so scared. Hindi ko alam kung ready ba ako. I'm currently studying for lab, tapos na yung lecture, and I'm just looking at photos. Plus, I'm looking at my notes. So I have yung upper limbs, and we also have lower limbs. Shouldn't check yung notes ko because we might need to know the innervation, arteries, and all that. So, ayan. Wish me luck! Last exam for today, and then yung next exam is next week na. Hi everyone, I just wanted to end the vlog here. I feel like this week or this vlog is a bit messy because it is our hell week. I wanted to film a hell week in my life, but talagang my thoughts are so scattered. Hindi ko naiisip mag-vlog because I was so busy talaga. So that's med school for you. This is my second to the last week of med. I hope I get to post this. Sana hindi siya masyadong boring or hindi siya masyadong magulo for you. Pero that's reality. Sobrang busy lang talaga and super focused on school. Hindi talaga ako naka-edit at all ng videos. But when you're watching this, probably mga June or July ko pa ito mapopost. I'm not sure. Pero today is actually May 14 and it's a Friday. I have 3 exams left, which is next week. Biochem, anatomy again, and also epidemiology. So, yun na lang yung exams ko, and then tapos na tayo sa first year of med school. I'm gonna do a separate video on my experience, or if you have any other questions, mag-comment na lang kayo below, tapos a-answer ko siya sa separate video, because I'm planning to do that every year, yung parang experience ko in med. So, if you wanna watch yung experience ko before I started med school, I also have that. So, I'm gonna link it down below. Tapos, excited na akong mag-film ng experience ko sa first year ko. Tapos, second year, this third year. Ah, my gosh, I don't know. I just really feel like med is for me. It's hard. Super struggle. Maraming breakdowns. Pero, ewan ko, for some reason, it's just really my passion. Yeah. Okay, I'm just gonna stop talking. I just hope you enjoyed this vlog, and I will see you on my next video. Bye!